look what I got. It's a 737 Chief. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Duck Call Corner at Muddy Throttle Outdoors. Today we got a 737 Chief. So let me start by telling you a little bit about 737. 737 Duck Calls was started by two founding partners spending countless hours in a garage working on the lathe to create the perfect duck call. 737 lives and breathes waterfowl hunting. Their mission was and is to produce the highest quality product possible, to construct an invaluable tool for the waterfowl hunting enthusiast, and to provide constant, exceptional customer service. All 737 duck calls feature a lifetime warranty. Now, what we got here is the Chief. Let me read you a little bit about the Chief from the 737 Duck Calls website. It's nasty, aggressive, dirty, loud, and in charge. Raspy as hell with lots of hold built in. Some things really do come in small packages. ... Constructed to be 30% more compact than our 737 number 1 model, quicker and more responsive to run due to the shorter barrel design. Greater volume is offered with a dramatically larger exhaust. Extreme range with a low end that still allows the ability to soft talk them down close. Not built for every caller, but it won't leave the lanyard of those that can run it. The 737 Chief is only offered as a single reed. Now I gotta say, I love this call. It is my first single reed, but this call did not leave the lanyard last season. It was with me every hunt. Can't complain. Looks great. Sounds great. Great to learn on. I still got a lot to learn, but what a great tool to have. So let's let y'all hear it. 737 calls, Chief, single reed, in the pearl white, red and blue.